Lee Self-Development TV. 10 Guides for the Proper Use of ChatGPT, your child's learning partner. Hello. Here are 10 guides to properly use ChatGPT, your child's learning partner. First, ChatGPT only knows information until 2021. You need to check separately for the latest information or issues. Second, while ChatGPT provides mostly accurate information, it may occasionally contain errors. You should also check other reliable sources for important information. Third, you must teach your child to use ChatGPT and not share personal information. Fourth, ChatGPT does not disclose the source of information. If you want to know where a particular piece of information came from, further searching is required. Fifth, do not accept ChatGPT's answers as they are, and educate your child to think critically. Sixth, we must remember that there are limits to emotional problem solving. As an AI, ChatGPT cannot fully understand or support human emotions. Seventh, since ChatGPT provides answers based on learning data, other sources should be consulted for issues that require ethical values or moral judgment. Eighth, ChatGPT is a great educational tool, but it is not a means to solve all problems. Care must be taken to ensure that the child does not become too dependent. Ninth, the use time of digital tools such as ChatGPT should be appropriately limited, and side effects caused by excessive screen time should be prevented. Finally, supervision is needed to ensure that the child does not access inappropriate content. This is because ChatGPT provides various information according to user input. For your child's safe use of ChatGPT, please remember these 10 guidelines. Let's always try to be a good partner for children's learning. Thanks for watching.